Hi everyone! In this video, we will learn the meaning of the Turkish idiom Seyirci Kalmak. So let's start. Now, the literal meaning of the Turkish idiom Seyirci Kalmak is to remain or stay spectator, while figuratively, the idiom means to be a mere spectator, to show no reaction, to be a bystander, to be not involved in, not to intervene, to ignore, or to be an onlooker to what happens. It is very similar to the English expression to sit back and watch. Let's see some examples now. Cinayete seyirci kaldılar. They showed no reaction to the crime. Cinayete seyirci kaldılar. Bunlara seyirci kalmayacağım. I will not sit back and watch this. Bunlara seyirci kalmayacağım. Haksızlığa seyirci kalamam. I can't be a mere spectator of injustice. Haksızlığa seyirci kalamam. That's it. See you in the next lessons. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel below for more videos on Turkish grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Also, if you think this video can benefit somebody else, please share it with them. Last, if you have any comment or request, please provide your feedback in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible.